Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question. Question number 14, JEE Advanced Physics Paper 2015. So let us solve question number 14. Students, let us solve the question number 14. It says, consider a vernier calipers. So it is about the instruments, measuring instruments. The chapter is obviously units and measurements. Consider a vernier calipers in which each 1 centimeter of main scale is divided into 8 equal divisions. Generally, 1 centimeter contains 10 divisions. So here it is saying 8 divisions. So 1 centimeter of main scale is 8 division. 8 division. So 8 division corresponds to 1 centimeter. 8 that implies 8 main scale division is 1 centimeter. This implies 1 main scale division is 1 by 8 centimeter. This is what is the conclusion. Now 1 centimeter, so we want to find the, which is obviously if I want to write in terms of mm, this is 10 by 8 mm. In mm we can write 10 by 8 mm, or in earlier general scale, the main scale is 1 main scale division is 1 mm. That is the distance between 2 successive divisions. It is 1 mm. Here it is 10 by 8 mm. So because the number of divisions has decreased, so therefore the length will increase. 1 main scale division will be more than 1 mm. 10 by 8 is 5 by 4. So 1 point some number. So this is the case. Next we will read the question further. Is divided in 8 equal divisions and is screw gauge with 100 divisions on circular scale. So there is a, this is the vernier, this is the vernier calipers, and there is a screw gauge here. It says for a screw gauge with 100 divisions, so 100, total number of divisions is 100 divisions in circular scale. 100 division. In the vernier calipers, 5 divisions of, so when the measurement is done with the help of vernier calipers, it says that in vernier calipers, 5 divisions of the vernier scale, 5 division of vernier scale, that is 5 vernier scale division, coincides with 4 divisions of main scale, that is 4 main scale division. And in screw gauge, in this case, 1 complete rotation of circular scale, because you know that a circular scale is there which rotates. 1 complete rotation, 1 rotation of circular scale moves it by 2 divisions on the linear scale. This corresponds to 2 main scale division. Main scale division corresponds to the linear scale. So 1 complete rotation corresponds to 2 main scale division, and the pitch is the distance between 2 successive threads, and how much the device or the instrument advances in 1 complete rotation, that is also known as our pitch. Now, so what is the question? So in a circular scale division, 1 rotation corresponds to 2 main scale division. That means 100 circular scale division corresponds to 2 main scale division. If I use the same scale over here, then 1 main scale division is this, 2 main scale division is that. So we'll see what is the question. If the pitch of screw gauge is twice, the least count of the vernier scale, pitch of the screw gauge is twice. First you will find the pitch. Pitch of the screw gauge is made 2 times, is twice the least count of vernier scales. So pitch of the screw gauge is 2 times the least count of vernier scale, least count of VC of vernier scale or vernier calipers. So here the least count of screw gauge is this. Then you have to find least count of this screw gauge. So what is the question? The question is this we have got. This also we have got the information, and it says that you first find the pitch of this, and after you get the pitch of this, then, and if that pitch is equal to 2 times the least count of the vernier scale, 2 times twice the least count of the vernier calipers. This is the vernier calipers we are using, vernier calipers. Okay. Then what is the least count of the screw gauge? So first of all, let us find the and also let us first read all the options. If the least count of linear scale of the screw gauge is twice, so this is the linear scale, the least count of the linear scale is twice. If the least count of the linear scale of screw gauge, linear scale of 2 screw gauge is twice the linear least count of the vernier calipers. If linear scale least count is twice this, then least count of the screw gauge is what? So this is type of question is asking. So first let us find the least count of both the instruments given. So first of all, least count of the vernier calipers. Both the instruments will first find. It's earlier we got 5 VSDs for MSD. So we know that for a vernier calipers, the least count is 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. This is the distance between 2 scales, 2 divisions on these scales. The least that can measure in the main scale division and the least it can measure in the vernier scale division, the difference is called least count. 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division, as you can see from here, I can write 1 vernier scale division is 4 by 5 main scale division. So if I substitute that, I'll get 4 divided by 5 main scale division. So it is 5 minus 4, 1 by 5 main scale division. And why we are interested in main scale division? Because we know the value of 1 main scale division, which is 1/8 centimeter. So if I multiply 1/8 centimeter, then this is the least count, and this is 1/40 centimeter. This is the least count, and which comes out to be, if I multiply this by okay, then this in decimal you will write this as 1/4 is 0.25. okay, so 1/4 is 0.25 divided by 0, 1/10 is there, so it is 0.025 centimeter. Okay, so the least count of this instrument is 0.025 centimeter that we have got. Next is next we have to find the next we have to find the least count in case of A and B. For the options A and B, we'll see that the pitch of screw gauge. The pitch of the screw gauge is pitch of the screw gauge is given in the question. The pitch of the screw gauge is given in the question, and it says that the pitch is twice the least count of vernier calipers. The least count of the vernier calipers we got right now, it was 0.025 centimeter. So if I use that 2 times the least count of vernier calipers, which is 2 times 0.025 centimeter, which is 0.05 centimeter. So this is the least pitch of the screw gauge. Then what is the least count? Least count of the screw gauge is obviously it is pitch of the scale, pitch divided by total, circular scale division. Pitch we got as 0.05 centimeter divided by total division is 100. So it is in millimeter I will write, because if I multiply 10, the 10 goes, this is 0.005 millimeter. If I see the option, if the 0.005 this one, if the pitch of the screw gauge is twice the least count of the vernier calipers, then the least count of the screw gauge is 0.005 mm. That is correct answer. This is correct, and this is the answer, correct answer, when we consider the conditions that this one, that least count the least count of screw gauge is twice the condition that pitch is twice the least count. Now in the next 2 options we have another situation. If the least count of the linear scale, least count of the linear scale of the screw gauge is twice the least count of the vernier calipers. The least count of the vernier calipers, we have got this 0.025 centimeter. He says that if the least count of the linear scale of the screw gauge, okay, is twice of that, then the least count of screw gauge will be what? Then what we will do, we will for option C and D, or option here it is 3 and 4. Okay, so we'll write for option 3 and 4 here. What we'll write? We'll write that that the least count of screw gauge, the least count of screw gauge is 0.05 centimeter. Okay, the least count of the screw gauge is twice the least count of the linear scale of the screw gauge is twice the least count of the vernier calipers. So the pitch of the screw gauge will be 0.05 into 2, because it is saying that, what is it saying, that if the least count of linear scale of screw gauge is twice the least count of vernier calipers, if the least count of the linear scale of the screw gauge is twice the least count of the vernier calipers, twice the least count of vernier calipers. The vernier calipers is 0.025, so it is 0.05. Okay, then what will get least count of screw gauge in this situation, new situation, will be pitch divided by total 100 divisions. Pitch will be, so from here the pitch is 0.1 centimeter, so it is 0.1 divided by 100, it is 0.01 centimeter. It is point one point is there, 0.001 centimeter, which is 0.01 millimeter. And if I see the option, the 0.01 millimeter is here, so therefore this is the correct answer to this question, 0.01 millimeter. This is also correct. So 3 and 4 are correct. Sorry, 2 and 3 are correct, and therefore our option answer to this question is option number 2 as well as 3 are correct. So let me first tell you one more thing, that the second one, 2 times the least count, this one, let me make it once more. If the least count of the linear scale of the screw gauge is twice the least count of vernier calipers, the least count of vernier calipers was 0.025, twice is 0.05. So the least count of the screw gauge is 0.05, then least count of the screw gauge is, the least count of this pitch divided by 100. Then in this case, what is the pitch? Pitch is that 0.1 divided by 100. So this is the answer to this question. So thank you.